Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm going to be unboxing a Lush kitchen box. This is what it looks like. This is how it arrives through the post. This is Lush Kitchen's June subscription box. I unboxed their May box on my channel a couple of weeks ago. Well, Lush saw my video and really liked it and asked if I'd be interested in receiving another box to review on my channel. So yeah, yes, hands down, me and my daughter absolutely love Lush products. So yeah, we're really grateful. So yeah, so this is the June box. So if you know everything there is to know about it and you're interested in just seeing what the contents are inside, then I'll add a timestamp down below so you're free to flick forward. If you want to learn a little bit more about it, then carry on watching. So this is a new subscription box for Lush Kitchen. This is the second ever box that they've released. Lush Kitchen closed their doors on the original format in 2017 and they've opened it back up with something brand new, a subscription box. Now, people have been wanting subscription boxes from Lush for years and years and years. I get asked a lot, do Lush do subscription box? Do you know if Lush do subscription box, etc.? So finally, it is here. If you were familiar with the Lush Kitchen format, you were able to buy exclusive products on their website through a weekly menu. You are still able to purchase these products, but they will be bringing them out in larger batches, plus they'll be available for longer. So in order to subscribe to the Lush Kitchen subscription box, you need to sign up and create an account on Lush Labs. Once you've done that, you're good to go. I'll pop all links and everything related to the subscription down below. So if you click on show more, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So the cost of the box is £35 a month and then £3.95 shipping. They do ship internationally and shipping costs are calculated at checkout. Inside every box, you'll receive 4 to 5 exclusive products every month. Now, being a subscriber, you get to vote on the items you'd like to see in the box. The subscribers get to choose 3 items and then Lush Kitchen chooses 2 surprise items and all items are full size. So in order to subscribe to the July box, you've got until the 10th. After the 10th, then you'll have to wait until the following month. But also, as soon as you subscribe, you've got until the 10th to cast your vote. So if you were to subscribe today, for instance, you've got until the 10th to cast your vote on what items you'd like to see in the box. Or you can do what I did with my first box, completely forget about voting and yeah, had a random surprise when I received it. Then on the 11th of the month, payment is taken out of your account and then your box is shipped to you at the end of the month. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, I'll pop it down below. But let's get on to showing you what I received in their June box. The packaging is really cool. I really like the packaging. Really bright colours. So we got a card here and it tells you about the products inside the box, and then you got another little leaflet here and it tells you all about the ingredients of each item, which is really handy to know. And then on this side then it's got all information about if you've got any issues with the box, so you've got telephone numbers and emails and so on to contact people. That's what it looks like. Right, I'm gonna have to chuck all these on the floor. Hold on, give you a sneak peek first. Oh, you see there. So this is the menu and it looks like subscribers got to choose them all this month, so no surprises from the team. So those are all the products. It says here, a year ago, Mark dreamed up a luxurious sleep-inducing mask and body mask. 25 formulations and 1 name competition later. We hope you love it as much as we do. Sweet dreams. Is this? Let me try and find it. Yay. It's called Beauty Sleep and this is a face and body mask, a luxurious face mask with an extra spoon of gorgeousness in it. It may even help you sleep. It's got here, this indulgent product was specially selected for this month's Lush subscription box by Mark and Helen. We were so excited to share it with you that we have to confess we forgot it was vegetarian rather than vegan. We hope you love it too, but if you would prefer a vegan alternative, please contact UK customer care on wecare@lush.co.uk. That's good to know. So even though it's too late to subscribe for the June box, if something like this happened again in future boxes, then it's good that you can ask for an alternative. So the sleep mask then, oh my gosh. It says here, this product was made by Eulina, I think that's how you say it, on the 24th of June and we've got until the 24th of the 10th to use it by. Lush products always come with a little sticker of the person that made it and then it just gives you details then about the expiry. So now this looks good enough to eat. Oh, it's just lovely. Look, it's one of those type of products that just makes me want to put my fingers right in there. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's lovely. It smells so, so nice. It's not strong at all. I can't even tell you what the smell is. I'll have a look now in the ingredients. Run a warm bath, put on some relaxing music, apply this beautiful face mask to clean skin, sit back and relax, inhale the neroli, and let the valerian and lemon verbena get to work, and don't drown. Okay. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try that. Oh yeah, that is gorgeous. So it's got neroli in it. I love that. So that's the first item in the box. Next we got a 29 High Street, and this is a kitchen exclusive shower gel. The ambience of the late hour saw the sense of Pool's original shop embodied in this bespoke creation, and it's 250 mils. So this is made by Scott, and I've got until August next year to use it by. I think for a shower gel of this size you're talking about, I don't know, £15. It could be a bit more, could be a bit less. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is really, really nice. Yeah, jasmine flower infusion and warming sandalwood oil blend together in wonderful coalescence, creating unique lathers that can be found nowhere else. And it's a slather precious oil of sultry ylang ylang all over before rinsing for deep cleanliness and a gentle mood lift. And it says here, good to know, each amber lather holds a brightening blur of lime and Sicilian lemon oils to leave you glowing beautifully. That just sounds absolutely gorgeous, doesn't it? So that's the second item in the box. Next we've got a little sugar cube and a bubble bar. Whoop! The sugar cube's falling out there. I think it's a sugar cube. It might not be. It looks like one. Yeah, just stick it in there. And this smells gorgeous. It smells really lovely. It is a bubble bar and it's a Mar bar, and it's got... What is the smells? It's got cocoa powder, Brazilian orange oil, bergamot, citronelle, and it's got a brown sugar cube. Yeah, that is lovely. It's nice and squidgy, can you see? Nice and squidgy, it's not... Woo! Oh, the sugar cube keeps on wanting to come out. But yeah, see the bottom half is nice and squidgy. Next I got a body lotion, and this is Vanilla Delight, and this says smooth in the heart, delightful soothing vanilla loveliness will keep you filled with satisfaction. I've got 100 mils here. And this is made by Scott, and we've got until August next year to use it. So it says here, exotic lilip butter. Just new words, vitamin-packed fresh kiwi fruit and comforting fair trade vanilla, absolute will soften and fragrance your skin all day. So, lovely and delicious, use all over hands and body, you'll be wishing you had asked for another. Oh, I absolutely love Lush products, and they just linger. They linger a long, long time on your skin. Oh, that's nice. Not a strong smell at all. You can smell the cocoa butter, which is lovely, and it does feel really nice in my hands. No, I really like that. So we've got a vanilla hand and body lotion. And then lastly, we've got a grass shower gel, and this is 100 mils, and it says here, full of lusciously green wheatgrass juice and uplifting bergamot to leave skin and senses feeling as fresh as a warm summer's day. And again, this is made by Scott, and we've got until August to use it. So I like the fact that we do have quite a long time to use these products. Wow, okay then. So sandalwood oil adds a subtle incensey note. It helps to calm and ground the mind as well as soothing the skin. And it says squeeze into the palm and lather up before smoothing. Gorgeously green lathers all over, then rinse and revel in refreshment. And it says neroli has been proven to increase serotonin production in the brain. This makes for a brighter mood and more positive outlook. Oh wow, oh, it does smell like grass. You can smell the bergamot in there. That is lovely. I wish you could smell it. I honestly wish you could. There was such thing as smell-o-vision. Oh no, that is nice. I don't know why I'm showing you. You can't see anything. So that's a shower gel. So those are all the items. So I'm just going to gather them all up. I got a confession to make. I've completely made a mess of the bubble bar. It's just all crumbled. It's because I was squidging it, just like a little bit like Play-Doh, so I was squeezing it a little bit too hard. So I just picked it up now and it's just fallen apart. So I'm going to have to sort that out and to see if I can mould it all together so that I can use it as it should be then. So yeah, so we got a bubble bar, we got a Vanilla Delight hand and body lotion, we've got a Beauty Sleep face and body mask, and then we got two shower gels. We've got a large one and a small one. The large one is 29 High Street and the small one is Grass. So yeah, so again, I'm chuffed with it. I am really chuffed with it. I do really love Lush products. I do really like it. I know a lot of you said in my video last time that you felt that we had too many shower gels. I believe there was there 3 shower gels in our box last month, different ones. You were saying that it would be nice to have like different variations, and I agree with that. I definitely agree with that. I think having 2 is fine because we have got the face mask, the body lotion and the bubble bath, so we do have like a really nice mix there. I think moving forward from a subscription, it would be nice to see more variants inside, although saying that, the subscribers vote on the products themselves, don't they? So I suppose it's what you vote for, isn't it? And the cost as well. You mentioned the cost in the comments. Some of you were saying that you felt it was quite pricey. I tried to tot up the contents from last month's box. I found it quite hard because obviously they're exclusives, but it worked out to be the same as the box. So coming from that, if you're a Lush fan and you might not live near a Lush, or you just fancy having a Lush surprise treat once a month, then this box is definitely worth checking out. But we're all different in what we like and what we value and things. But as always, based on this month's box, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of the contents? Ignore me squidging that bath melt. That was just ridiculous, but anyway. But yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts, what you think of it, and also do you subscribe to it? So all your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.